Hello everyone, we are back with Glenn Velvet Reviews today, and we ordered a couple different dental mirrors, okay, that we're going to try out for you. So far this one came in, so we're going to unbox this and check what it looks like. We got the measuring instruments here so you guys can scale and see kind of what you're buying or what you're going to be planning to buy, so you know if you're getting value and if it's going to fit, you know, what your needs are. We're also going to measure the weight of it. So this is kind of what it looks like. That's the name on the back of it. You guys can pause that. And there is really no name on the front of it, guys, if you can see. So I'm not sure exactly why they do that. All right, guys, those are the features that it does say on the back. You guys can pause that. It is faded a little bit because they put the sticker on top of it. Sorry about that. All right, guys, so that's the size of it right there. That's the degree that you guys can expect it to be, okay, if you're gonna be holding it in your mouth or whatever. All right, and that's the size of the mirror, okay? So it's 1 inch outer diameter, guys. The mirror is a little bit smaller on the inside, but that's kind of what it looks like. And then that's the back of it. And then for the length of it, I guess they have these at about 6.5 inches. Not sure if they're all going to be like that, but that's kind of, there's no moving parts or anything like that. You can't change anything out if anything breaks from what it looks like. The top does spin a little bit, which is weird. Oh, it does. Look at this. Okay, so the top piece does come out, the mirror. I do not know. This might come in a different kit for this brand, because this seems like this would, you know, they would make one tool, one handle for a bunch of different tools. This probably comes in some kind of kit that you guys can get if you wanted to purchase something like that, or you probably can just order new ones if the company's still around in business, and then just screw in a new mirror on here. Now it's very small threading, so when you're putting it on, if you cross thread it, it's pretty much going to be garbage. So I would make sure when you're screwing it on to, you know, do it slowly, do it properly, because if you cross thread this, it's garbage. I know these are not expensive, but there's no point of buying new ones if you don't have to. All right, so let's weigh this out. This one is 24 grams. Okay, this mirror is pretty much what's going on of the weight of it, okay? And that's what the mirror looks like, so you guys can kind of at least see. And that's what the back looks like right there. But at least, you know, in the mirror, I don't know, you really can't see anything in the mirror, but. All right, so like I said, we got a couple of these on order. We're gonna compare them all when they come, and then we'll also give our opinion of them. So this way, we're comparing all three and then giving an opinion all at the same time, and do like an update. Okay, I guess a week, maybe 2 weeks. I don't know. After we use a couple of these, and then we'll be back for that. All right. So that's it for Glenn Velvet Reviews on the unboxing of that. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also, subscribe to my channel. Join me on my review adventures as I try to put up stuff to help out the community, just like I get out from the community, right? And if you can, unless you dislike me for any reason, you can support the channel by clicking on those affiliate links below. Somehow, some way, times a million equals into something. But from what I saw, there are other ways to support the channel on YouTube. And if you do decide to support the channel, please make sure you come back, see that I'm putting that support back into it, getting more stuff to review, doing updates on the items so we know we're getting a good value, and also helping my subscribers with any questions they have on the products I already review. All right, so everybody enjoy, be safe. Glenn Velvet Reviews is out. Bye-bye, everybody, and I will see you later.